guess this is what happens when you run too low on gas. Basically, it puts a check engine light, it's saying service engine throttle body, and start stop unavailable, and all that sort of fun stuff. Luckily, we're right coming up on the gas station at Costco. I wanted to save an extra 15 cents per gallon, so yeah, hopefully we don't run out of gas today. Well, that's my story. Update, I ran out of gas, but I pushed it to the gas station. Time to push. Okay, so just as an update, I just put $5 of gas in just to get me over, across the bridge over to Costco, so I can save approximately 40 cents per gallon. Yes, you heard me right, that's 40. Anyways, let's get over there and see how everything is. So far, even with just a couple gallons of gas, it says service engine throttle response, and it's wanting to shift really weird. So yeah, wish me luck. This is me accelerating normally. See, it's holding it right under 3 for some reason, and it doesn't want to go past 20 miles an hour. Doesn't want to go over 20 miles an hour. Definitely in some sort of limp mode. Ah, finally a gas station. I found out that you can kind of just let off the gas pedal and then it'll shift after a couple seconds, but it's very delayed. Something is obviously wrong with this. I hope I didn't just break my Alfa. Okay, first full startup after a full tank of gas. Starts up normally, that's a good sign. Full of fuel, start stop available still saying service engine. Looks like the electronic throttle fuel control went out though. Let's do a little test drive on the street now. Seems to be driving normally, no more lagging. Let's see. Seems to be in a slight limp mode. Basically, all I can tell from this is that it's not giving me full power, but it's able to build boost. That's definitely been a wild trip, guys. Let's get on over to my parents' house and see if we can't reset this code and see if we can get full system restore function. Car's been sitting for approximately like 4 or 5 hours, so check engine light's still on, everything's still on. I'm kind of hoping that it's just a fault code. Typically what happens is when you have a fault code, the engine will like stay and show that code for, I think it's 5 startups. So I'm gonna try and let it just naturally clear itself, and if that doesn't work, then you know I can go from there. But as for right now, I'm just gonna let it kind of try and naturally clear itself, because I want to see and make sure that it didn't actually do any real damage just by resetting the code just because I ran out of gas. Everywhere online said that it should just reset itself within 5 startups, so that's kind of what I'm hoping for. Okay guys, just driving. So finally, check engine light came off. Robert!
Oh, it came back on, I'm kidding.
Did it really?
No.
Okay, good. Okay, thankfully, after running out of gas, it took about 4 or 5 startups and the thing's gone. So I'm stoked about that. Yeah. Make sure to check out all my other videos because I've been daily for over 3.5 months, almost 4 months. Ooh, that Jeep, we should test drive that Wrangler.
This is still probably like 60 grand.
Anyways, without further ado, I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Nothing left to say. I guess it's time to end it.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no loving, that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this.